Okay, good afternoon, class. I mean, grade 4. What is in the classroom yet? Okay. Today, we are going to talk about what we learned today. Dan, can you read it out loud for us?
Of course. We're going to multiply two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm.
Multiply two-digit numbers using the standard algorithm. Okay, what I want you guys to do, I'll give this out, pass one by one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, on the board you see there are two-digit number. Okay, and what is the sign? Who can tell me what is the sign for multiply or multiplication?
X.
X.
An X. Okay,
X marks the spot.
that's right. Good job, Ben. And there is another. Can anybody give me? Okay, Jasmine, give me two-digit number.
11.
11. Okay. I want you guys to take a look carefully at these numbers or digit numbers, two-digit numbers, because there's a step of how you solve or using multiply by the standard algorithm.
Teacher,
Yes.
you want us to copy on the book on the paper?
Yes. Can you write this down on your paper, please? Okay, with the first step, I want you to pay attention, okay? Because when you write it, you don't have to write it anyhow, because if you miss a step of this, in this topic, you will not get the right answer, okay? With the first step, you have to look at how you align them in their right place value. Okay. With the first step, we will start with this number 1. Okay? I want you to look carefully at the instruction, because after this, I will give you another example for you guys to do. So with 1, which one? The first one, you have to multiply the 1 to 3. So 1 times 3 is equal to what?
3.
3. And then after that, the second one, then you multiply the 1 to 2, which is what, Gina? Your name is called 2. Please. Gina? 2 times 1 is what?
2.
2. Good job. Okay, the second step, you have to go for the second place value of 1 over here. You have to be careful with that, the second step. The second step, you have to replace the place value under 3 with what number?
0.
0. Man, you're so advanced. I think you're not in this class. After that, then you have to do the same thing with the first number or the first digit number, which is 1. Then you multiply this one to those two numbers. So you multiply 1 with which number?
3.
Catherine? 3. And what did you get?
3.
3. And 1 times 2, Ulu?
2.
2. Okay. Does anybody knows how we get? Is that the rest? Is that the answer?
I don't think so.
No, think so. Okay. What is the next one?
So we have to add them, addition.
That's step number 3. You add them. Okay. Then you have to place the addition sign and then you add. Okay. Make sure it's on there aligned so you don't mix them up. Okay. So 3 times 3 is what, Catherine? I mean, plus 3 plus 0 is what?
3.
3. 2 plus 3 is what, Daniel?
5, like a high 5.
High 5. And then 2 plus with this blank is what, Olu?
2.
2. So this is the answer. Are you guys all understand the steps?
Yeah.
Yes? No? Are you with us, Gina?
Yes.
Okay. What I want you guys to do, I'll give you another example. Solve this out. If you have any questions, raise up your hand. I'll come around and look. Oh, you came late? Sorry. Oh, she's very smart. She knows what she's doing.
Is this the answer?
Which one? Okay. Okay. Once you finish, raise up your hand if you finish so we can go through this. Oh. Catherine, do you need help?
Yeah, I need help.
I'll help you. I hate the number 9, cross it out. No,
Wow.
I don't like. No, I think it's good. Oh, you're good. So now you just, unless I'm mistaken, just move down to this one, right? So, and then you just do 5. No, 5 times, yeah, 5 times 3. Which is 15. Then you carry the 1, I think. Did you right?
That's
So
right.
then it's 5 times 2, which is 10. So it's 11, right? Because 10 plus 1 is 11.
Hey, raise up your hand if you know how to do this.
False doctor.
Okay. Oh, come. You have to explain it step by step to them.
So I took 4 times 3, which is 12. And so I put the 2, and then I carried the 1. And 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then I put the place value, and then started on the second, whatever. 5 times 3 is 15, and I just exited another 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And then add it, 2, 9, 14, 2, 1.
Okay. Does everyone still have the same answer with Olo?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Anybody have any question before I give you the next one? Anybody have any question? Okay, good job. You all know why she carried the 1 over there and then end up with this long answer?
Really big number.
That's right. Okay? Okay, since everybody knows and understands the steps, I have some activity for you. Do it by partner. And I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes to work.
So do these questions now?
Yes, please.
And you want us to work in partners?
Yes, if you can do it by yourself or you ask your partner for help, I'm here, I can help you out.
Who doesn't?
Daniel will be number 1,
Okay.
Ulu will be number 2, Catherine will be number 3, Gina will be number 4, and then Jasmine will be number 5. Okay?
Do you just want us to write the answer or the entire problem?
The entire problem. Remember, we need to know the steps. We're learning about the step of multiplication. So you equal to. Remember our outcomes, it says you follow by step of multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Okay?
How does it go for, or do we all go at the same time? One at a time?
One at a time, please.
Okay.
Wait, what number am I with?
I'm 5.
4.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Justin, you can do your number 5 over there. And Catherine, you can do your number 3. And then Gina, you guys can do it over here.
Okay. Now?
Yes. Yeah, just do it over here. Number 3, number 4.
So you have 7. 6, 7.
Just go through this.
Never make a mistake.
Okay, let's start with number 1. Everybody look at number 1. Do you have the same answer with Daniel?
Yes.
Raise up your hand if you have the same answer with Daniel, 325. Jasmine and Catherine? Okay,
Yes.
this is correct. And how about number 2? Do you have the same answer with number 2?
Yes.
Number 2?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. And then number 3?
Yes.
Look at your number 3.
Me.
Yes. Is this right? Are you sure this is right?
That's what I got.
That's what we
Everybody
got.
got that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just checking for your understanding. And then number 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it 2, 3, 7, 8? You guys all agree that you have that answer?
Yes.
That's right.
I wrote down.
And then the last one?
Yeah, I got that too.
3, 4, 1, 0.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can anybody tell me?
Oh, actually.
Sorry.
Okay. When you go through, can anybody tell me, not anybody, I'll ask you. Why is it important for us to go step by step in order to get the correct answer? I know Daniel's always answer. I need someone else.
I like to talk.
Yes, Jasmine.
Because if you think you might be able to do it in your head, like when you have to carry numbers over, the 1, you can forget that they're there, you did the wrong answer.
That's very true. Anyone else would like to add for Jasmine's answer? Daniel, now you can speak. What is an addition?
Well, these are just such large numbers. It's easy, to, as Jasmine was saying, to make a mistake. It could be a simple mistake, but in mathematics, one mistake will throw off your entire model.
That's very true.
That's why you go through the step and then you check your steps as you're doing your final addition to make sure everything is right.
That's very true. Especially when you carry one number to the next one, right?
Yes.
When you go step by step, you'll be able to get the right number. Because if you miss a 1, it will make a big difference and your answer will be wrong. Right? Okay. In your textbook, chapter 9, I want you guys to do part A and B as your homework for next week. So when you come back, we'll discuss them and then we go through. Anybody have any question?
No.
Please feel free, come back with it. Okay? Thank you.
Follow up, dog.
Nine.